of it. So, same exact way. So you see how all my pull-ups, we're pushing straight down. Because pull-ups is not just back biceps, triceps, not back biceps, sorry, back biceps, rear delts, traps, not just that. I consider more even a full body movement. So everything is tight. My core is tight. My legs are shooting straight down. I'm holding my legs, holding glutes. Everything is in a line, straight and narrow. Boom. I'm not fighting to get up. If you're fighting to get up, get back down and practice on your holds. Practice on holds. Practice on hold right here. So if you get to a point you're doing this, you need to get down. Get a resistance band, or you go to the gym and they have the ways you can put your knees on it or put your feet, and it'll help you raise up and you change the weight on there until you be able to get a straight pull-up stop. Go back, Australian plus all that. Give you game, trust me. It'll go a long way. No need for you to go straight to 100. Start at 0, work your way up. Whew. Let's get one more. I'm feeling good, let's get 4. You gonna stay with 3? Let's get another one. One more, we're gonna move on to these push-ups. Look good. Look good. How long we going? Not bad, about 8 minutes or so. It's good. So we get to these pull-ups, push-ups. So back to it. So you judge a person off how they move, even in the good times and bad times. So not to say to spy on them and wait for them to do bad. Just be aware of who you have around you. Like, say for instance, I don't want to just be normal or basic. So everything in line with my life, I try to do a little bit better. As in, I want to work myself. I knew this social media stuff is not going to be social media, so I wanted to be able to inspire some more people. So a lot of people may laugh at me and was like, why are you doing it? A lot of people are doing it. I don't really care about that. So they didn't believe in what I was going to do. So I kicked them to the side. I'd rather be an entrepreneur. They'd rather have a job most of the time. They don't understand. They try to talk down about all the time. Push them to the side. I'll be off. So if people like that, they don't believe in some of your dreams, sometimes you gotta boom to the side. Maybe you have some people that you want to progress and they just want to be, they cool with just chilling. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying nothing wrong with that, but if you have certain priorities and certain goals in your life, sometimes you can't have them in your life, man.